All right, good morning, everyone. It is 10:34 on the morning of August 20th, 2021, and today I get to do a $73 recap. Not a really big day, but it's Friday, and yeah, it's green. I get to go home and have a great weekend. I like a green Friday. It's a nice way to go on the weekend. Could have been bigger, no doubt. Could have been bigger, but could have been red too. So let's go over it here real quick. Let's see. GOVX. Now let's see. I traded this one pre-market, and I traded 300 shares. I've forgotten where it was. Let's look at the 1 minute here. I think, let's see, I made about 7 cents off of it. And I think, I just don't remember where it was when, I bought it and where it was when I sold it. But it was in the pre-market. I remember, actually, you know what? Let me see if I can pull up my timestamps here. 9:14 and 44 seconds. So let's see. No, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I bought it right here in anticipation of it moving. So it had this pre-market, like sort of pre-market breakdown right here, and it popped up over top of this. And so I bought it close to the end of this candle, and it popped up. Yeah, anyway, I made 7 cents off of it in that chop. And then there really wasn't anything to go on after it opened. Really wasn't anything happening there. I mean, it opened up and it fell away, and it's just kept falling away the whole time. So I didn't trade it again after that. And then let's see, MRIN. MRIN started popping up on the scanner. It wasn't on the pre-market list. And it started to break. For whatever reason, I have this $5.70 level on MRIN right here. And I don't remember why it's there, but it's there. And I also have 1988. Okay, there we go. That's why it's there. So there's this daily high right here on MRIN at 570 right here from way back on the 21st of October 2020, almost a year ago. And this thing started in MRIN started popping up in June. And so I went back and I put that level on it. And so it's still there. So MRIN, it's a name that, I'm familiar with. And so it started hitting the scanner this morning. And I was like, okay, well, let me, pop over and see what's going on. And so I bought it right at $5.70 a share for MRIN, which looks to be 500 shares. And so it popped up over 570 here, you can see. And it started running up. And I was kind of like, okay, cool. This looks like it's going to, this will work out. And then it just started to really fall quickly. And so I let the 500 shares go for a few bucks, 5 of 14 for $16 profit. So it's kind of like meh. And then Foot Locker, FL. So I watched Foot Locker and put my Fibonacci onto the open here at the open right here. And then kind of saw where the Fibonacci levels were hitting. And they correspond with this. This is the 61.8 fib right here. And the pre-market action was kind of bouncing around between the 61.8 fib and I have 75%. I modified the fib to be 75%. And so I put an order for 100 shares right there at $57.83. I mean, it's, yeah, $57.83 for 100 shares right there. And it went down. And so I was looking for 1%. Oops, let me go over here. So I'm looking for 1%. So I got filled at 57.83, and I didn't get filled. I didn't hold it all the way until it hit 1%, because it started showing. It was looking pretty weak. Once it hits, I like it when it hits the level. I like it just to take off. And it hit my level. I got filled. It dipped down. I actually had a second order in to buy at the next Fibonacci at 57.17. Obviously, didn't go that low. And so after it came back and tagged my entry a couple of times, I just wanted to let it go, and with some profit. And so on this one, I made 36 and 37 cents on 50 shares each. The split, it split the 100 share purchase into 50 share sales. I don't know why. And so I missed by about almost, 20 cents roughly? I missed a 1% move. Yeah, about 20 cents. I missed a 1% move by about 20 cents, but it's green. So, it's green. I get to be happy with the $73 recap. All right, so then let's see the broader market here. Now, it was starting to look like there was going to be a trade on the short side on the SPY. Yeah, it actually does look like it. The VIX is starting to bottom out here according to the relative strength indicators, and the SPY is topping out according to the relative strength indicators. But I'm probably not going to get involved. I'm just going to, and I'd rather have a long setup. I'd rather trade a long setup, and it looks like this is just going to be another dip in the market here. Seems to be happening around the middle of the month each month. 19 July, 19 August, 18 June, 19 May. 25 March. Yeah, it's just, I don't know. So yeah, I'd rather play it on the long side than the short side. And Bitcoin is breaking out above this high over here of 47,860. It's now at 48,298. That's really good for the Bitcoin crowd. Bitcoin is definitely bullish. All right, everybody. Good luck out there. Keep your risk tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the bell. Have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday morning's strategy session. I am out.